Angered at the apathy of the PWD Roads Department and the neglect shown by the state government to their plight, various residents of North Garo Hills had come out in large numbers to repair at least 2 roads in the area. The roads, which were touched upon on the 14th of October, were in abject condition, and pleas had been made to the PWD department to take care of the situation. However, the department in question is yet to be moved into action. Local resident T.G. Moman said that the road repair by residents was undertaken as the department seems unwilling to act on the situation despite knowing how bad the roads are. This apathy has gone for too long, and the people had no other choice but to take up repair works upon themselves. Hundreds of volunteers armed with various instruments began the task of road repair, with many more joining through the day. The section between Soksan to Resulbelpara and from Dekachang to Jongla were touched upon, as roads were in their worst conditions as compared to others in the district. The local Congress MDC Rinaldo K. Sangma, who also took part in the road repair, said that the condition of the roads in Resulbelpara and in nearby areas shows the apathy of the incumbent government towards the people of Resulbelpara and Mendipathar. The government and the department have turned a blind eye and deaf ear to plight of residents, and that is why the public had come in large numbers. Sangma said that he was hopeful that this would be an indicator to the dissent that the people feel. He added that the present government should realize where they are lacking, and also the fact that each section of the state has the right to development. In order to complete the road repair, many residents of the town and nearby areas provided their vehicles as well as donations to provide raw materials for its completion. North Garo Hills has been one of the worst affected regions in the state in terms of road infrastructure, with almost all roads in various points of disrepair. Further, the long-awaited Damra to Bajeng Doba road has also been delayed by the construction company that has been tasked with its completion.